A 911 telephone outage emergency has been declared for Cook and DuPage counties. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Cook and DuPage Sheriff's Office at approximately 2:27 p.m. Central Standard Time. The Cook and DuPage County Sheriff's Office has reported a disruption in the 911 telephone systems. All residents in DuPage and Cook counties should call an alternate telephone number or visit your local police, fire, or ambulance station. In the event of an emergency, call the Cook County Sheriff's Office at 846-818-2810 or the DuPage County Sheriff's Office at 630-407-2000.